Hello again, students. Let's go over the super scooter wheel. So what are we doing here? It looks like we're going to factor the heavy trinomial completely. So I try to help you out here. Anytime it says factor completely, that means there's going to be a GCF that we need to take out initially from all of our items. So if I am not mistaken, it looks like there's an extra X in all three of those values. So we can weed out an extra X. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my answer. Remember, with GCFs, if you take it out, you got to leave it back in your answer in the end. And then let's see, 70, 115, and regular 15. I can all wax out another 5. All right, so my GCF for all three items was a 5x. When I wax that GCF out of there, what remains? A 14x squared, a positive 23x, and then a 3. Here we go. All right, so here's my A value, B value, and C value. So since it's still a heavy trinomial, we have to do the AC method. So let's do A times C right here. We'll put B right there. Okay, here we go. A times C is going to be 3 times 14. 3 times 14 is a number, and that number is 42. All right, so we got to find the numbers, the magic numbers that multiply to 42, but then add to 23. So let's start breaking down 42. 42, let's break it down into 2 times 21. Hey, what do you know? First guess, 2 times 21 makes 42, and 2 plus 21 makes 23. So here's our winners right there. 2 and 21 are our magic numbers. All right, the next step in the AC method is you want to put the magic numbers over the A value, okay? Or yeah, over the A, 14. Sorry, I was thinking about the next step before even completing this one, my bad. Here we go. So 2 over 14 simplified is going to be 1/7. Okay, so remember you simplify the fraction, and that's going to be your binomial. So if I tip that over, it's going to turn into 7x plus 1. Okay, cool. And then 21 over 14 is going to simplify to 3 halves. Okay, when I tip that over, it's going to turn into 2x plus 3. If you don't really understand the whole tip over thing, when you do this method, the top number is always going to be the number in your binomial, and the bottom number is always going to be your variable. Okay, that's always going to be the case. So 7x plus 1, 2x plus 3. And then that's it. That's our binomials. I think we won here. So type the binomials with the larger variable first. So we have a 7x and a 2x. So 7x plus 1, you get to go first, bro. 7x plus 1. Remember, type them with no spaces. And then we have a 2x plus 3. All right, that's it. So remember, I try to help you out with these heavy trinomials. Anytime it says completely, there's going to be a GCF that you're going to need to take out from all three items. And then even the directions. Look at this. It says put the GCF first. So there you go, students. Take your time with the AC method. Identify A, B, and C. Multiply AC. Find the two numbers that multiply to AC and then add to B. Put the magic numbers over A. Simplify, tip over. There's your binomials, and then everybody wins. All right, that was the super scooter wheel. See you in class.